You're scrolling through TikTok, seeing all those ads for incredible products, dreaming of starting your own online store, right? And then you stumble upon Spocket. It promises easy product sourcing, fast shipping, and a seamless dropshipping experience. But here's the burning question that probably brought you here. Is Spocket trustworthy? That's a question that plagues many aspiring entrepreneurs. In the exciting, yet often murky, world of dropshipping, finding reliable partners is paramount. You've heard the horror stories. Suppliers who disappear, products that never arrive, customer service nightmares. So, when a platform like Spocket emerges, offering to connect you with thousands of products from suppliers around the world, it's natural to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism. You're not just looking for a product database. You're looking for a partner you can build your business on. You're entrusting them with your reputation, your customer satisfaction, and ultimately, your bottom line. Today, we're diving deep into Spocket. We're going to pull back the curtain and examine its claims, its features, its user reviews, and ultimately, help you decide if it's the right fit for your dropshipping journey. We'll be looking at everything from the quality of their suppliers and products to their shipping times and customer support. Is it a golden ticket to dropshipping success? Or just another pretty interface with hidden pitfalls? Let's find out. First, let's understand what Spocket actually is. At its core, Spocket is a dropshipping platform designed to connect online store owners with suppliers. Unlike some other platforms that focus heavily on products from China, Spocket emphasizes suppliers located in the US and Europe. This is a crucial distinction, as it often translates to faster shipping times and potentially higher product quality. Two massive pain points for many dropshippers. They boast a curated marketplace, meaning they claim to vet their suppliers to ensure a certain standard. This is a significant promise, as the quality of your supplier directly impacts your customer's experience. Now, let's talk about the products themselves. Spocket offers a vast array of products across numerous niches, from clothing and accessories to home decor and tech gadgets. One of the major selling points is the emphasis on high-quality product images and detailed descriptions, which can be easily imported into your store. This saves you valuable time and effort in product listing creation. But is the reality as good as the pictures? Many users report a generally positive experience with product quality, especially from the US and EU suppliers. However, it's important to remember that Spocket is a marketplace, and like any marketplace, quality can vary. It's always recommended to order samples of your chosen products to personally verify their quality before launching your store. Moving on to one of the most critical aspects of dropshipping, shipping. This is where Spocket truly tries to differentiate itself. By focusing on US and EU suppliers, they aim to significantly reduce shipping times compared to the often lengthy waits associated with products shipped from Asia. This is a massive advantage for customer satisfaction. Nobody likes waiting weeks for an order, and faster shipping can dramatically reduce cart abandonment rates and build customer loyalty. While many users commend Spocket for its generally faster shipping, it's not a universal guarantee. Shipping times can still vary depending on the specific supplier, the destination, and unforeseen logistical challenges. It's crucial to clearly communicate expected shipping times to your customers to manage their expectations effectively. Another key component of trustworthiness is customer support. When you encounter an issue, whether it's with an order, a product, or the platform itself, you need reliable and responsive support. Spocket offers 24/7 chat support, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. User reviews on their customer service are mixed. Some users praise their quick and helpful responses, while others report longer wait times or less satisfactory resolutions. This is a common theme with many online platforms. The quality of support can often depend on the complexity of your issue and the specific agent you interact with. It's always a good idea to test their support before you fully commit. Send them a few general inquiries and gauge their responsiveness and helpfulness. Let's also consider the financial aspect, the pricing. Spocket operates on a subscription model, offering different tiers with varying features and product limits. While there is a free trial, to truly leverage the platform and access its full range of products, you'll need to subscribe. Is it worth the cost? This depends on your business model and your expected sales volume. For serious dropshippers looking for a curated selection of products and faster shipping, the subscription cost can be justified by the potential for higher profit margins and increased customer satisfaction. However, for those just dabbling or on a shoestring budget, the subscription fee might feel like an additional hurdle. Now let's address the elephant in the room: reviews. What are real users saying about Spocket? On platforms like Shopify App Store and Trustpilot, Spocket generally receives positive reviews, with users highlighting the ease of use, product quality, and faster shipping. However, like any service, there are also negative reviews. These often center around issues with specific suppliers, occasional shipping delays, or sometimes difficulties with customer support. It's important to read both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective. Look for recurring themes in the complaints and see if they align with your own potential concerns. Remember, a few isolated negative experiences don't necessarily negate the overall trustworthiness of a platform. So, after all this, is Spocket trustworthy? Based on the evidence, the answer leans towards a cautious yes, with some important caveats. Spocket is a legitimate platform that provides a valuable service to dropshippers. Their focus on US and EU suppliers is a significant advantage, and their curated marketplace does offer a degree of quality control. However, like any tool, its effectiveness ultimately depends on how you use it. To truly succeed with Spocket, you need to be proactive. Don't just blindly import products. Take the time to research your niche, identify products with genuine demand, and always order samples to verify quality. Communicate clearly and frequently with your customers about shipping times. And be prepared to handle customer service issues, even with the best suppliers. Spocket provides the vehicle, but you're still the driver. Think of Spocket as a powerful resource, a stepping stone to building a successful dropshipping business. It can significantly streamline your product sourcing and fulfillment, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer acquisition. But it's not a magic bullet. Due diligence, smart business practices, and a commitment to customer satisfaction are still paramount. For those looking to build a sustainable dropshipping business with a focus on faster shipping and higher quality products, Spocket is definitely worth exploring. It's a platform that can genuinely help you build a reputable online store, provided you approach it with a strategic mindset and a dedication to your customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.